People all go, man. You're tuned into Click Reacting. Today we're gonna be looking at a video titled "Idiots in Cars." Man, I know we all have the experience of people doing the craziest shit on the road, so that's what we're gonna be looking at today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that sub button, turn on post notifications, and drop a like. And actually, let me know if anything in this video has happened to you before. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later. No, wait, yeah, this actually just happened to me. I think not, if not last night, 2 nights ago. And then this guy, he didn't come over all the way like this, but I like drove up and honked my horn, and then he had the audacity, because the lane was closing over here. Like, you don't signal and go. I still have to give you the way. You know what I'm saying? People act like the road is theirs. Then he had the audacity to throw up his hands in the air. Sorry, like I did something wrong. I'm like, bro, are you stupid?
God damn.
And they kept driving. Wow, that is crazy. Kept driving. Honestly, people on the road are so scary. You're not gonna hit this, man. Oh, shit. How do you not see that? Oh, shit.
You and I can analyze, and we can.
Don't tell me this is a trucking one.
And we can determine.
Because these motherfuckers, yo.
Can't do any of that stuff.
Oh!
All I can do is what the algorithm has programmed it to do, which is suck in stuff.
What the fuck is going on here?
Based on words, using again.
Must have been a panic. Right beside the cop.
And I keep coming back to it, is that it.
Don't turn before your time. Like I said, don't turn before your time. These people that do left turns, man, I don't know. I don't know if they realize who has the right of way. Trucks, trucks, trucks. Yup. Stupid. Y'all get what you give, man. Man, you... Sometimes I'm just like amazed by the shit I see. This shit is just giving me anxiety.
Was the day okay?
My G! Oh my god.
Jesus.
Yeah, for sure.
This guy just
Yeah.
hit me.
Oh, he didn't hit you. Damn. Yeah, people don't look when they're changing lanes, man. Big, oh, ice. Ooh. That causes accidents. Could have been bad. Do not reverse.
Retard. Back.
Bro, it's like you can just know what's gonna happen before it happens, because people are so dumb and predictable. Uh-huh. Wet road. Recipe for trap. Oh, whoa. How did that happen? How did you end up hitting that person? Oh, shit! Them things are scary, yo. The pileup accidents. This is why you shouldn't follow close. My nigga, what the fuck is this? Yo, this shit is crazy. Total of 8 vehicles were involved in this accident. I was in the middle of it, but managed not to get hit. Wow, lucky as fuck. That is what you call lucky as fuck. Definitely could have been a lot worse. But out of 8, you don't get hit at all? That shit is crazy. Intersection, okay. Okay, that's orange. Nah, you're tweaking. Nah. There's no way. That person's light was still red.
Good brakes.
So there's no way you should be going straight. He must own the road. Shit, that street must be named after him. This man said, fuck y'all. Good reflexes, though. Brother. Yo, I can't, bro. These videos really fuck me up, bro. What are they doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, left turn. Oh shit! Not the snow. Where the fuck is this? Oh shit! Yup. Why are you speeding up? Just take your time and go back. This side was plowed, so I was able to swing back in and out of the lane. That is stupid. Yeah, that is stupid. Stay in your lane and drive slow. Put your forward flasher on.
It'll still be there. They don't know. Ryan sent me a picture of. They don't know where it is.
I mean, bro.
Delta Farce on Blu-ray, $4.99.
I don't know why you kept driving Ford into his car. There's a train traffic. Oh shit. Alright.
Dude, what the?
Yeah, low key, and he has his right indicator on. Truck drivers are different, bro. He must have been drunk. No time to react at the very moment. We were so you were in my lane. There is no way that I was going to swerve and avoid it. I mean, you could have just slowed down a little and hit the ditch, put myself and my brother in danger. This guy to stop anyways. Exchange info. Made the claim with insurance and police report for hit and run. I mean, I guess that is a hit and run. He did make contact. But in those situations, when you see somebody coming over, the best thing to do is try to slow down.
So what? He just hit us. He did.
I mean, this man right indicated to turn into a left lane. He's not driving that fast. And this is the other part that's dangerous. Driving somebody down. And you don't know who's in that vehicle, right?
Pull over. Pull over.
Yeah, I don't think he wants to pull over.
He's not gonna pull over. You got him on camera, dude.
Yeah, it's simple.
Hey, GSZ539. Is he pulling over? No, he's not gonna pull over.
Yeah, bro. Why even bother chasing him? I love how they put BMW jumps the light and almost caused an accident. Like, bro, I'm convinced, man. Some people are delusional. Like, you know, it's probably one of those things where you're like driving and you're sleeping at the same time, because it doesn't make sense. Some of the shit people do. Yeah, rear end. You know, 9 times out of 10, you're always gonna be wrong if you rear end somebody. What happened here? Yeah, there's a lot of streets like this where people are just known to be driving mad. And cities more. Like in Canada, that's Brampton. Count yourself low. Shit. Hey, that's a good reaction from this guy right here. Or girl, whoever's driving. Yep, that following distance, man, that shit is super important. Super important. KFC A and W. Where is this? What? Oh, for the cover. Yeah, yeah. That is not safe for sure. Because you can't see, right? Like, that's the biggest thing for driving. Yeah. Rules for thee, not for me, indeed. Oh, whoop. Crazy. Like, bro, like, look at that intersection. It doesn't even, like... Oh, yeah, kill the biker. Yep. And that happens to me when I ride my motorcycle too. A lot. Just people, bro, they don't have brains. So.
What the?
That shit is crazy.
When she toasted him. Here, Shazam. You don't want any more? No more? No? You don't want any more?
Some of these I'm still so even like even this guy. You don't. That's not how it works, bro. Like what? Because one lane gives you way, that doesn't mean the other is. I mean, welcome to winter. I wasn't really that close for you. Oh shit. Yeah, the snow is something special, man, to drive in. I mean, I wouldn't go that close to this truck. And does your windshield wipers not work? Because if something were to happen and they brought this cam footage to court, guarantee you this guy's getting in trouble because that's poor visibility. You know what I'm saying? But guys, let me know if any of this has happened to you. Don't forget to drop that like and sub if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.